Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, everyone. Today I am coming to you with a final flip through of the prayer journal that I started a few months ago. Now, if you're new to the channel or you missed one of those videos, don't worry, there'll be a link to take you over to the last video, and there you'll find some of the last elements and steps to what we did in order to create this journal. Now, the only difference to the exterior of this journal is the binding, obviously, the trim, the closure, and the finish. So let me just bring this up close so you can see. If you can see, there's some of the striations from the matte medium that I used, the acrylic matte medium, and bring that up close so you can see it in case you're looking for that. I believe that was at Walmart or Hobby Lobby. Anyway, so I used that to seal it, and I'll be honest with you, it just to ensure that if it got something spilled on it, that she could wipe it clean. But in any event, I love the way it feels. It kind of feels like a leather, with the napkin having a slight wrinkle underneath and there being stenciling and such. It gave it a great texture. So I will be using that in future products. Well, what I won't be doing in future journals is shortening the length of the tie to this length. I'll probably double the length of I should have left an extra 2.5 inches on here, just so that it can be tied in a bow as opposed to just regularly tied in a knot. So again, I added the ties, and then at the end of the ties, I added those butterfly beads, metal beads. Okay, so if you want to, there we go, just a little, just walk you through this is just a final flip through. Okay, so on the inside, there's a little pocket, journaling card, and again, remember, this is a prayer journal. Now, it was originally made for one person, but because that person was facing hardship, I instead, at Christmas, sent them something else. And this is actually going to be sent to someone who is also a crafter, so I know she'll appreciate it that much more because of she knows how much work goes into handcrafted gifts. Anyways, so she's a good friend of mine, teacher, our friends, our kids are friends, and she used to lead our GAP ministries, which is a prayer ministry. So she's a prayer warrior. She is my fellow sister. We have been, over the years, very transparent with one another with regards to our lives and struggles and trials that we've faced. And so I've prayed for her and with her at times, and she's done the same with and for me. So I think this will be a perfect gift for her, and I'm probably going to go ahead and send it for Valentine's Day, right? So anyways, moving right along. So we have stamping throughout, prayer themed stamps throughout, some butterflies, journal cards, pockets, tuck spots, vellum. Here's one flip down, but there's plenty of journaling space throughout this, which I'm grateful that I thought about that ahead of time and didn't do so as an afterthought. So there's places for her to put mementos or different things that she collects for her prayer journal. There's a journaling tag tucked behind this belly band, and there's extra pockets for her to place things in. There's another journaling card, pouring out praise, journaling card right there, envelope pocket, coffee dyed paper, our local, one of our local newspapers, black and white, mind you, flowers. And so the theme is pretty much consistent throughout, tuck spots and such, and butterflies. And I really like how this came out There's lots of stitching throughout. And I want to say that I thought about a lot of this ahead of time, but I didn't. The construction of it, yes, but it's just amazing how things sometimes just come together when you're putting, towards the end, when you're putting on the finishing touches and putting it all together. And so this is actually my very first fully completed traveler's notebook junk journal. So I'm really happy with how it came out. Majority of the techniques I learned from Liz for a Day, and at that time, Liz for a Day, Rachel from Roxy Creations, and some other different techniques from other different crafters. So I'm really happy. I think this came out really beautiful, and I believe that the recipient will enjoy this and put it to use for its intended purpose, to add to her prayer life. And so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'm also working right now to complete the gratitude journal, so stay tuned for that. The next video coming up in that series is we just got finished with clusters and closures. We'll be going on to tucks and pockets. All right, tuck spots and pockets. And so until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative, and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.